free. 22/20/20. Time 9:35 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. 12:35 Eastern Standard Time. Tomorrow, you can look for the Dow Jones futures are going to gap down. They're down around 750 points right now. There was a limit down earlier on the open when Trump was giving his address about the virus and all the updates. So the thing about the stimulus packages and whatnot is still up for debate overnight. It really doesn't matter, my friends. We're here together. It's you and I. And when we have these gap downs, they create great trading ranges and great profits. Don't let the fear of the virus and all of those headlines and everything consume you and your well-being and your energy. There is no need for that. The only need right now is that you join us during these times, or any time for that matter, and that the options training, entries, exits, all of that is what we do together during the live trading day. Yeah, and have some excitement, have some fun. So don't be scared about these big gap downs. We know how to trade bear markets. Bear markets pay more money than bull markets. Let that be known. If you haven't heard me say it before, let it be said now. Bear markets make more than bull markets. Price action volatility, resistance works, support works, the ranges work, everything works in bear markets. Don't be scared. Embrace it. Do not have fear about big price swings. That's your bread and butter. Let that be known here and now, particularly when we're making markets in the option pit. That will never change. It's always going to be the same. From this day on, let it be known that in that option pit, when an option trader looks at a bid and ask and it's $5 wide, he or she doesn't know what to do and they walk away. They don't. They look at that, scares them to death. You know what I'm talking about, each and every one of you. But don't worry, we're masters. We are market makers in that option pit, and we know how to control that market and those strike prices at those option prices. Yes, we do. And not only that, let it be known on this day, do not fear the gap downs. Do not fear the virus. Do not fear the headlines. Remove it from your mind. Price action, left elbow gap down is the terminology that we use here in our live trading room, and we're going to take advantage of it, and we're going to make some money off of it, and so are you if you get your butt in here. So let's get rolling. We're here to support you. We're here to make you money. We're here to let you use the system that you're looking at, which is the 60-minute chart of the Dow and where it closed on Friday down toward the lows with another gap down. And yes, we are going to get a big stimulus package. They're going to be throwing more money at this, even though they really need $4 trillion. They'll probably try to go for the first round at around $2 trillion. And which the market's going to say, no, we need more than that. Well, we're living in an uncharted world. It's a virus. It's invisible. Let's just pray to God that none of us get it that are watching the video, or me, the one that's here to take you down a new road in your lifetime with it. Go to Interactive Brokers. Open up your account there. You have lots of advantages. Once I get to know you, then I'll explain it all to you and all the reasons why. So let it be known on this day that we are discounting our pricing to help individuals with risk management that have portfolios and are scared to death, and rightfully so. And we're here. We have the algorithms in our platforms. We own the platforms. The charts that you're looking at, they're ours. And they're a lot better than big firms have, and whatnot, I think. So, nonetheless, let it be known that you can prosper with the gap down in volatility, and that you don't have to be afraid. You just have to know how the market maker does it and how to get that entry. And once you get that entry, and in that option pit right now, that's the place to be. Yes, it is. So we're here to support you with tomorrow's gap down. If they get an announcement, the futures could reverse very quickly and go higher as well, my friends. But let it be known, you're watching a video or you watched them before, so we are friends. And if you have an account, you want to get an account open, you want to be able to make money, then let's go down that road. Let it not hesitate any longer. This is once in a lifetime. I'm going to show you how to trade once in a lifetime opportunities in these markets with this whole thing that's going on and what it's going to be like over the next year, day by day, every single day, even including Saturday and Sunday. Today is Sunday, Sunday night. Here I am working for you. How about that? Anyway, so we're going to have the gap down. Things could change on a dime. Stimulus packages, bear markets, Dow Jones futures. Early on, they had a limit. Then they closed them and then they reopened them. And we will just take a look and see what kind of reversal the markets will give Washington, D.C. It really doesn't matter. What matters is the price range and taking advantage and not being afraid and using our algos to power your profits with the entries and the exit. Dow Jones, big gap down in play. Volatility continues onward.